This week, Microsoft announced that Windows 10 and 11 combined are running on more than 1.4 billion monthly active devices.
Can I get a wow? Wow! Can I get another wow? Wow! Give me another one! Wow!
And that there are some new features coming to Windows 11. There's a fix for the Outlook search issue, but at the moment only for Windows 10, but it will be coming for Windows 11 next month. And PDQ has bought Windows deployment company SmartDeploy. So this week Microsoft announced that Windows 10 and 11 are running on more than 1.4 billion monthly active devices. And the rate of adoption for Windows 11 since it launched in October has been twice the rate than as the same period for Windows 10. And Windows is now being used 10% more than in pre-pandemic times. In the wording of the blog post, which was written by Chief Product Officer Panos Panay, there does seem to be some doubt about how long the free upgrade offer from Windows 10 is going to last for Home Edition users. But the wording is very vague and it's not really clear whether Microsoft intends to stop this offer at some point this year or whether it will be extended along with the professional SKU. So this bigger uptake for Windows 11, Microsoft says, is being driven partly because of the increased use and purchasing of PCs. So more PCs were purchased in 2021 than 2020. And of course, with the change to hybrid work, there's now more of a demand for people to have a notebook or PC at home. Microsoft also announced this week that they finally released a fix for the Outlook search issue. Now this primarily affects people who are searching against locally stored PST and OST files, but this also affects people that use advanced search and have their email stored in Microsoft 365 in the cloud or in on-premises Exchange server. So Microsoft is addressing this by using a mechanism called known issue rollback. And what this allows Microsoft to do is to go back to updates that have been previously rolled out. So in this case, the update that initially caused the problem with Outlook search, and to basically roll back just the issue within that update that's causing a problem for Outlook users without having to touch any of the other security features that were rolled up as part of that particular update. Now this known issue rollback will be automatically distributed to consumers, so people who have unmanaged devices. If you're in an enterprise running a managed device, then this is something that needs to be set in group policy for Windows 10. You need to set the appropriate group policy to put this known issue rollback into effect. So finally this week, Windows deployment company SmartDeploy has been purchased by PDQ. Now PDQ is a company that has its own deployment product, a inventory product and mobile device management, and they have about 20,000 customers worldwide, and they are now bringing SmartDeploy into their fold, and hopefully this is going to allow SmartDeploy to reach a much bigger customer base and of course add extra features to their existing products, which should benefit all the customers of SmartDeploy and PDQ. So with SmartDeploy's product, it's really easy to insert drivers, applications, patches using their patented technology, and this of course makes deploying Windows to lots of different sets of hardware much easier. Now this is really important of course for smaller companies that tend to not really standardize on hardware. So of course if you go into a huge enterprise, it's much more likely that you're going to be able to bulk order devices in the thousands. But smaller companies tend to have a much wider range of mixes of different hardware, and this can make Windows harder to deploy because you need to be able to, of course, make sure you target the right drivers for each device. So this technology is now coming to PDQ, and at Petri we're looking forward to see how that partnership develops in the future. Okay, so that's it for this week. If you found the video useful, then please give it a like, because it really helps to make sure that the video is seen by more people on YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification if you'd like to see more videos like this every week. And I'll see you next time.